something. Who could say that this heartless? Come and tell me, do you feel that love? Spend the summer of life down here. Let me take you to the place of your dreams.
Today I'm going to attempt to not go on my phone as much. Where's my phone? Speaking of, I think it won't be that bad. I just feel like I've been on my phone too much. I need a good cleanse. But like if it's like for calls and stuff, like for basic stuff, it doesn't really matter. Here are the no phone day items, though I only used like half of them. Many rainy days lately. I love rainy days. Reading a good book, being cozy, lighting candles. A few of the essentials of a cozy day. There were ducks outside my window. I was only able to get the tails. They're really cute. Hello. I'll be going to Georgia Aquarium, which is my favorite. I love their program. They have something called Wellness by the Water. They have it like every month. I'm gonna be going to one of their sessions there. I think it's gonna be a sound bath, so that'll be fun. This is the outfit. Huge yoga mat. Okay, let's go. I had a solo evening today with the belugas. They're so adorable. If you see the videos of the animals, especially if you've seen the whale shark here in the Georgia Aquarium, they're pretty happy, and I'm glad to see that. A cozy evening baking chocolate chip cookies. I'm trying a new recipe today. That's all I'm gonna say. I love baking with jazz music. What is your favorite jazz song? I spent a lovely evening with my siblings. We're just chatting and eating the cookies. I was also craving a cheeseburger. Here's my little mini cheeseburger. I wanted to say thank you for this community, for our family, because I find it like so beautiful. It is one of the most beautiful things, and I feel so lucky to be able to have a family like this. I need new flowers. Thank you for being here. I think it's so cool what we created. It's so open and loving. When I see it, I just feel so lucky. I'm like, wow, this is what we did. We did this. I don't express it very often, but like every time I look at the comments, I just get like all like warm. I get warm and happy. It's so amazing. To me, I believe that if there's one thing everyone needs, it's self-love. This world, I feel like everything would just be so much more beautiful. I was thinking about it last night, but now I can't quite remember what I was thinking about. I can't exactly word it how I did, but it sounds so much better. It's escaping me right now. I want to take more pictures. I've been trying these two cameras. This is my old camera for this channel. They've come a long way. CLIO XLM. We'll be trying these two out. Nice. This camera. See now? I don't know why all of a sudden it started working. Hello. This is my outfit. I'm going to a very last minute event. It's called Porch Fest, and it's basically a bunch of bands play actually on porches. I've never heard of it until yesterday. I'm with Kelly. I thought it was your mom FaceTiming.
Guys, Oh. I'm learning how to become a professional photographer.
She's doing
I'm
very
taking
well.
my lesson.
There's a lot of people. I feel like on camera I can't really see it.
And still. What? Oh my.
Well, hello.
Cozy spot.
I've been reading The Giver lately. It's one of my favorite books. The last time I read it was years ago. I'm rereading it in a new light and snacking on some fruit. The peonies also bloom. They're so beautiful. They're definitely one of my favorite flowers.
How'd the other piece go?
Leave me in peace. I'm gonna be going to a garden with my friend. Here is some snacks I'm bringing. Of course, sweet potatoes, apples. My book, my journal, and the makeup bag. Plus camera for some nice photos.
Do you feel that love? Boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say today's hottest? Come and tell me. Do you feel that love?
Oh wait, maybe I didn't record.
It's recording.
Oh, okay.
You can see like the red light.
One.
Oh, the carbonara one. It's pretty. For the light reflection from the water. Unless you hate that like camera's.
Whoa! I got a spider instead. Hello. Hi, tiger. It's so cute.
I'm sending so much love to you. I wish everyone could just feel how I'm feeling right now because it's very warm and it's very at peace, if that makes sense. However you imagine love, I'm sending that to you. Goodbye.
Hello.
You got really big floofy.
Well, he's sleeping on the floor.
Yeah, you're gonna smell all dirty, mister.
Bye, tiger. Oh? No?